my dear students, I Gaurav Diwan welcomes you all in Path Maths online classes. Dear students, already we have completed exercise 7.6 in the last video. So today we are going to do some standard form of the integration of the given formulas. कुछ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूलेज हैं जिनके बेस पे हम एक्सरसाइज 7.7 आज करने वाले हैं एंड दीज फॉर्मूलाज आर योर नंबर 1 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ a square minus x square whole under the root which is equal to x square root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. The second one is your integration of x square minus a square whole under the root which is equal to x square root of x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 log of x plus x square minus a square under the root plus c. And the third formula which we are going to study is your integration of x square plus a square under the root and this is equal to x square root of x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 log of x plus x square plus a square under the root plus c. So these are the three formulas. Basis on these three formulas we will complete the exercise 7.7 today. Dear students, let me prove the first formula for all of you and the rest of the two formulas are homework to prove these two formulas and I will tell you how can you prove. So first of all let me prove the formula number 1 which is given by integration of a square minus x square whole under root, and for that let me take the left hand side or let me do the integration of a square minus x square under root by letting I is equal to integration of a square minus x square under the root into dx. Now multiply it by 1. We can multiply anything by 1 and taking this as first and this is second. This will be equal to first as it is integration of second minus derivative of first which is a square minus x square under the root and integration of second with complete integration of these two terms. And this is equal to a square minus x square under the root. Now the integration of 1 is x, so this is to be replaced by x minus derivative of a square minus x square under the root will be given by 1 upon 2 times of a square minus x square under root into minus 2x, where minus 2x is the derivative of the base which is a square minus x square. Derivative of a square will be 0 and the derivative of minus x square will be minus 2x. Multiply by integration of 1 is your x. Now this term can be written as 2 will be cancelled out with the 2. So this can be further written as x square root of a square minus x square minus x square upon a square minus x square under the root. Now one question arises for all of you, how can we do the integration of this term? For that let's see the denominator and the numerator. जो भी वेरिएबल इन्वॉल्व है उनकी डिग्री सेम है. So let me prepare the same terms in the numerator as well as your in denominator. Or how can we do? Just by adding a square and subtracting a square in numerator. मैं क्या करते हैं a square को ऐड कर देते हैं numerator में और a square को subtract कर देते हैं numerator में, so that the question पर कुछ असर ना पड़े. For that we can now separate the terms by taking a square minus x square as 1 and a square as second. The question will be now your this is a square minus x square upon a square minus x square under the root minus a square by a square minus x square under the root. Let's see, this can be simplified as your a square minus x square upon a square minus x square whole under root. Let us take an example. If this is x over root x, then this can be written as root x into root x upon root x and one term will be cancel out. This is simply root x. और हम वैसे भी कर सकते हैं, देखिए क्योंकि x की पावर ऊपर 1 है और नीचे हाफ है, नीचे से ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो 1 में से हाफ माइनस करेंगे तो जो बेस है उसकी पावर हाफ रह जाएगी। सेम यहाँ पर ऐसे सेम केस है, ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज देयर और ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर रूट इज देयर, सो द टर्म विल बी ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सिंपली दिस इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अंडर द रूट, क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर में जो टर्म है उसकी पावर 1 है और नीचे हाफ है, तो हाफ में से अगर सॉरी 1 में से हाफ माइनस करेंगे तो पावर विल बी हाफ देयर ओनली, माइनस ए स्क्वायर बाय a square minus x square under the root into dx. So in the integration of two terms are there, they can be separated like this: x square root of a square minus x square minus integration of a square minus x square under the root, minus sign is there, so this will be plus a square integration of 1 over a square minus x square under the root into dx, and this is equal to I. Now let's see, in the first part of the integral a square minus x square integration was to be done, ये तो इंटीग्रेशन हमें करना ही है और जिसको हमने लेट कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी I के इक्वल, so this term can be replaced by I and we know the integration of 1 over a square minus x square under root, this is equal to sin inverse x by a, already discussed in your exercise 7.4. So let me replace this term by I and this term by sin inverse x by a. So the integration will be of I is equal to x a square minus x square under the root minus I plus a square sin inverse x by a. We can use plus c here because complete integration is done. Take this I on the left hand side, this is I plus I is 2I is equal to x square root of a square minus x square plus a square sin inverse x by a plus c. Now because on the left hand side this is 2I, so let me take this 2 on the right hand side and the question will be on I is equal to x square root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, और ये हमारा फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला है जो कि ऑलरेडी मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ इस वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग के अंदर. So in this way we can prove this formula and in the similar way we can prove the other two formulas also. जो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में दो फॉर्मूले और बताए थे, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर अंडर रूट और एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर अंडर रूट, वो दोनों फॉर्मूला भी सेम आप इसी मेथड से करने हैं. बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 1 टेकिंग फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड यू विल गेट योर आंसर. So these are the three formulas which are very much helpful in your exercise 7.7 and we will use these formulas only in your exercise 7.7. So let me do the question number 1 of your exercise 7.7, which is your integration of 4 minus x square under the root. The question is your based on the first standard formula what I have told you today. The question is your, this is exercise 7.7. Now we are going to start. Integration of 4 minus x square under the root. This is very much similar with the given formula. We can also write it as that this is equal to y. So this can be as 2 square minus x square under the root. Now you can see, अगर आप compare करें इस क्वेश्चन को given formula से, so the value of a is 2 and the x is remain x. So this will be equal to x square root of a square कौन है 2 square which is 4 minus x square by 2 plus a square. What is a square? This is 4 by 2 sin inverse x. X is remain x and 2 is your a is 2, so this is your plus c. So the answer will be x square root of 4 minus x square by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x by 2 plus c. So this is your the solution for the question number 1. Now second question is your homework, you can do by yourself. This is the same type of the formula a square minus x square under root, and the question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all these are the type in which quadratic polynomial is given to you. First of all, it is to be reduced in the form of perfect square and can be obtained any of the three formula whatever I told you in the starting of this video. It may be in the form of a square minus x square or x square minus a square or x square plus a square. So let me do one question for all of you, my dear students. I am doing the question number 5. Let me do the question number 5. The question is your, this is number 5, and the question is your integration of, we want to do the integration of 1 minus 4x minus x square under the root. This is the given question. जब क्वेश्चन देखिए बच्चों, इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्योंकि स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है, और क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के लिए हमने 7.4 में भी डिस्कस किया था कि आपको सबसे पहले इसको कंप्लीट स्क्वायर में चेंज करना होगा, और कंप्लीट स्क्वायर में चेंज करने के लिए वी हैव द मेजर 2 कंडीशंस in which we need to take care about the coefficient of x square. First of all, we should check whether the coefficient of x square is 1 or not. This is 1. And the second, which is your must to be see, that the coefficient of x square is positive also or not. हमें देखना कि coefficient of x square positive और 1 है या नहीं. If अगर नहीं है, then we have to change it like this. इस केस में coefficient of x square 1 तो है लेकिन positive नहीं है. So let me take the minus sign common, and for that what we will do, take minus sign common. This is x square like this. This will be our now the question. But एक चीज का आपको ध्यान रखना है, पहले भी मैंने बोला था 7.4 एक्सरसाइज के लिए, this negative sign can't be taken outside the square root. आप किसी भी तरह से स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर नेगेटिव साइन नहीं ले सकते हैं. दिस इज टू बी टेकन एज सेम. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू जस्ट टेक द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x, इट इज टू बी मल्टीप्लाई विद हाफ. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x को हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, जो भी आंसर वैल्यू आएगी उस वैल्यू का स्क्वायर लेकर you have to just add and subtract in the given polynomial. So here the coefficient of x is your 4. So half multiplied by 4 is your 2, and square of this term is your 2 square. So let me add and subtract 2 square in the given polynomial, quadratic polynomial, which is your quadratic polynomial. So square root of minus x square plus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 1 into dx. Now the first 3 terms, in which the 2 terms will be the square of the terms, जैसे x का स्क्वायर है और 2 का स्क्वायर है, ये दोनों आपके जिन जिन टर्म्स का स्क्वायर होता है वो आपका कंप्लीट स्क्वायर बन जाता है. लाइक दिस, दिस इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ माइनस x प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज योर माइनस 4 माइनस 1 एंड होल अंडर रूट with integration. So this term now can be written as integration of x plus 2 whole square minus 5, and then the minus sign is there outside the braces and with integration. So minus sign को क्या करना है, आप अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद the question will be now this is equal to integration of 5 minus x plus 2 whole square under the root. इस माइनस को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 5 तो माइनस का प्लस बन जाएगा, और जो टर्म प्लस किया दैट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय नेगेटिव साइन. नाउ अगेन दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ a square minus x square whole under root. So this can further written as root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square under the root into dx. We can just compare this given question with the given standard formula, in which the value of a, you will see this is your root 5, or the value of x is now replaced by x plus 2. So the solution of this question will be your x, which is x plus 2, square root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2. What is a square? This is root 5 square, which is 5 by 2 sin inverse x by a. So this will be the solution, or this can further be written as x plus 2 square root of, what is this, 5 minus x plus 2 whole square. This can be replaced by this one, this can be replaced by this one, and this one, this one, this one, or simply the question. So this is your 1 minus 4x minus x square by 2 plus 5 by 2 sin inverse x plus 2 by root 5 plus c. So this is the solution of the given question number 5. So all the questions, only 10 questions are there. All the questions are totally in the same manner, in which we can just apply the 3 standard formulas in the given questions. So this is all about your exercise 7.7, and 7.8 is your now deleted from the syllabus for this year. So there is no need to do the exercise 7.8, and the 7.9 and 10